Idem ljudi, uputili smo se ka Lestru, pa gledaj di voziš bre. Di imaš oči. Evo, ko me sad zove?
Yeah, who's this?
It's Ricky from Life Invader. I know you're the bro who deactivated Jay, bro.
Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about, pal.
What you do's your business, bro. Anyway, Jay really got a big head once people started calling him a god. Guess you proved he wasn't one. They reintegrated my team in Burundi after the design got signed off. And now, my shares ain't worth dick.
Sorry about that.
I need work, and I thought maybe you could provide. I mean, I'm smart enough to track you down, aren't I?
I guess you are. Hey, I'll be in touch if anything comes up.
Okay, case crew member Ricky, ma jebote. Ma jebote, di parkiraš tu bre, imaš parking pa parkiraj na put. Izgleda da jeste ovo za HEIST. Ili idemo dole njegove jazbine? Wow! Ovo je moje uvijek bilo parking mesto, tako. Ajmo se. Vidimo šta hoće Lester sad. I skoči! Pa skoči.
Jesus, Michael, you look like a bum. Put something nice on.
Ajde ulaz, šta je bilo? Vidi gospodi. Je change into a smart outfit.
Just go change.
Pa šta fali, brat, ti kako sam li? Ok, ima pare meni. Pare, escape, alo. 7.000. Pa šta da uzem za 7.000? Ajde, naćemo nešto gledam. A vama ako sviđa ljudi ovaj serijal, obavezno ostavite like, subscribe se na kanal. I idemo kad tih ljudi više 1000 subscribera. Zapratite me na Instagramu, se daju _official. I to je sve, valjda. U stvari nije, zapratite i Discord server, imat ćete u opisu, čuti vremena kad ja pričam, imat ćete u opisu klipa link, pa tamo se učlanite, naravno besplatno je, da se zajedno svi tamo družimo, zajebamo i tako dalje. Pa jeste ovo skupo, da ovo znam. Kakav je ovo? Pa to kruh. Bravo. Daćete mi najskuplje odjelo, u stvari nemoj taj skuplje, nemam puno para, ali daćete mi jedno skupo odjelo, baš skupo da ga, onako da ga, čekajte vidim, koliko vam košta? Pa nije skupo. Ovako, a? Ili sivo. Ma, crno bre. Ajde uzimaj. Ali gospođo, treba mi kravata, ja ću dobiti copyright. Treba mi ne copyright, treba mi kravata mi treba, ovdje. Daj dusi. Ajmo dužem kravatu, gospođo. Pa kakav je to način nemate kravatu? Gle, ovo jak ne. Nemate kravatu, posebno uzmi. Laži igrice. Ne, ovo su samo... Gospođo, jebote bre kakav. Doviđenja. Možda. Ako mi ovaj plati, ako mi ne plati neću se vratiti, zašto se vratim? Ajmo odmah do njega. Dobro, što mi to sad šalješ, iskačeš mi u vožnji. Nije mi jasno bre uopšte. Kakav drift. Ajmo da ponovimo. Pa slab je ovaj drift, ali dobro. Vidi sad kako sam. To. Nešto grmi. Grmi se, vreme se menja. Op! Sad može.
Hey, listen. What do you got?
The Holy Grail. The Union Depository. Now, they say it cannot be hit. Hasn't been yet.
Look, I just owe some Mexican hood a couple $1,000,000 because I wrecked his girlfriend's house. I don't need to go crazy here.
Which Mexican?
Martin Madrazo.
He's not supposed to be very nice.
Oh, when I met him, he was charming. So what do you think?
Let's see. Either we hit a bank in the sticks or we do a store. Which do you like?
Well, store's usually easier, but I gotta make a big take.
Well, gems it is then. Let's go to Vangelico, buy ourselves an engagement ring.
Oh, we're gonna need a crew. I can round up some of the old guys.
There are no old guys. Moses, ironically, he found Jesus. All those Irish crazies, they mostly just disappeared. That crew from the south, they all went down. There was An Eastern European guy making moves in Liberty City, but he went quiet.
All right. Well, we're gonna need a crew. You got any contacts in LS or not?
I've been working with someone, but they're too unpredictable. I'll have to reach out to some other guys.
Pa tako, ja vozim, pa ko će drugi da vozi? Naravno, ja vozim.
The shop's on Little Portola.
Ko? Okej, naravno, ovo je priprema za HEIST. Mislim da imamo 3 te...
Your FIB buddies, they know you're back in business.
Jebote, biznis, pušti me da ja govorim. Imamo 3 te misije i onda ide HEIST. Tako da, sad znam koja je prva misija, sad ćemo vidjeti. Ne sjećam se, davno sam ovo igrao. Neke misije, opet kažem, se sjećam, neke ne. Mislim, kad vidim misiju, naravno ću se sjećati, ali... Evo, sad pokušavam da se sjetim koja je to misija, ali... Ne mogu. Treba u Zlatoru, idemo? O, bre, ajde, pusti. Sve znam, šta treba se raditi. Prvi ne znam, alat. A, zato dobro djelo. Alat. Evo ovo. Evo ga. Vents, gdje su vents? Jel on tamo? Dobro, šta još se treba? Što je to? Koja je asistent? Ova gospođa. Gospođo!
Hey, beautiful. I need to pick up a little something for the woman in my life. Well, one of them.
Sir, I'm sure we can help you. Tell me about her. What's her taste?
Cheap, thank God. This ain't my wife we're talking about. I don't know. I don't want to spend too much. I'm thinking maybe 10 grand?
Our rings start at 8, our pendants start at 12.
All right. So these things built to last, or am I just paying for the Evangelical logo here?
No. We use perfect clarity jewels. 18 karat gold, 950 platinum. Nothing but the best.
All right. I think you just made a sale. I'm gonna take a look around, think about it, come back to you, baby. Don't go anywhere.
I understand.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ništa. Kaže nešto. Jedi govno. Tako, sad sam ja bodyguard. Mnogo si ti meni ružan.
Wonderful day. So, we good?
Almost. I need to get eyes on the roof of the
Može
building.
otvoriti vrata?
See where the ventilation comes out.
Dobro. Šta treba,
Come on, Michael.
Čekaj bre, ne znam gdje se ulazi, ovo si dereš na mene. Da, znam da je bilo trebalo da,
Drive around the block and look for a way up to the roof.
Da, ovo baš. Find access points to the rooftop. Gdje je to bilo?
This street's...
Jevote, kakav je ovaj. Rekao sam po bloku, ne po gradu. Znači, brat.
So, you keep up with the old crew?
After your death slash...
Pa sam mislio da kupe na kuć.
much holding us together.
Yeah. See him at all?
On keep ladders, čekaj, evo ih ovdje.
Climb up it and see if you can get to the roof. I kept tabs on him for a while. Needed to know that he didn't blame me.
Yeah, where'd he go?
North, south, east, west, wherever there were liquor stores to turn over and hitchhikers to disappear.
I'm on the roof.
All right, use the glasses to get me a shot of Angelico's roof unit. It'll be right above the store.
Get to high ground and take some... Aha. High, pa treba...
Where did they
Check
bury
it.
him?
They buried him? Not as far as I know.
Ček, treba vamo.
He's probably a John Doe then, right? What do you
Ovdje.
think? OD, shootout, maybe just a car crash,
Cool.
right? Anonymous charred remains on the highway. They only knew what a sick puppy
These
they
suck.
had on their hands. Hey, I see the vents.
Yeah, I'm looking at the relay. Can you get any higher? I've pulled up a satellite image. It looks like the highest point is on the northwest side.
Čekaj bre.
Right, you're welcome to take a photo of the system now. A description of...
Nije mi jasno uopšte. Tama da opalim sliku i on padne. Buđavko. Ajde. Uopšte nije kao na kontroleru. Sad s kontrolerom igram. Bolje mi je ovako. A i nikad nisam igrao na zatvorimišu. Mislim, ja sam ono kao nešto malo, ali tipo igronicama i to. I kod kuće nekad, ali... Uglavnom sam na konzoli igrao. Xbox 360. Evo ga ovdje, nemoj da padneš.
That's it. Take the shot and we're finished.
Evo ga.
We've got our shot of the Evangelico unit. Looks good. Okay, that'll do. Now come back to me before someone spots you up there.
Dolazi, batov. Da skočimo ovdje, a? Prvo. Pa kako si sad umro, onda nisam tačno sam znao da će da umre. Neka si. Što pičku materinu, da si normalan, lupan. Opa. Ali možemo. A neće zjeba me. Nema veze. Nema veze, idemo. Nema veze, idemo lepo, ajde. Ajde! Pušti se, glupane! I skaču ovdje, ajde, skaču tu, ajde. Tako, ajde, čuvaj. Da ću da umro, gdje je ovo? Mnogo to. Ajde, bre, možeš upići čak. Ne. Evo ga. Da vidimo šta si smislio, Čiko.
My workers have their uses. Okay, let me set this up.
Nice to see the methods haven't changed.
Well, we gotta figure out what we're doing somehow. All the crews, the rolls, prep work. Don't want to leave evidence behind on a hard drive. So yeah, the methods don't change.
Right, not for a pro.
Well, mapping out the options, showing you all the angles, that's my area of professional expertise. But making decisions, that is your domain, my friend. Here. And there's two ways I see of doing this. We go in smart, or we go in loud and dumb. Remember the vents? If we're gonna be smart, we pump a little knockout gas through the air system, then hit the cabinets while everyone's out. You'll have to source the gas, of course, but crowd control won't slow you down, and that might improve the take. The cover is pest control, so no one will look twice when you're wearing gas masks. It means getting a pest control van, though. You go in dumb, and you'll need your famous way with people and 4 carbine rifles. We can't buy them and risk them getting traced. No, we've got to find some in circulation. It's awkward, it's real awkward, but this is the gun favored by LSPD tactical team, so one of their vans is probably a good place to look. A hacker can disable the cameras. The alarm will be operating on the same window. The exit strategy is more or less the same for both options. The driver you pick will, of course, source some bikes. You come out of the store and make your way through the new subway tunnel they're digging off the Del Perro freeway. You lose the cops in there and meet a truck in the LS River.
All right, I want my guy Franklin on the getaway. He can handle a bike.
All right, if you vouch for him, I'll take the risk. So how do you want to do this? Run into the front door or try to play it smart?
Pa mi smo ovako išli, ja mislim da sam ovako igrao, ali ajde, a nemam pojma, ajde sve mi je dobro, ajde, na load, brat.
Still a hothead, and some things never change.
Eddie, Karim, a si ružan, Dravinsku, ovaj.
Now the driver, they'll source the bikes, lead you out through the tunnels.
Dobro. Znači njega ćemo oduzeti. Guns, Gustavo Mota, ovaj mi neko opasniji, ako je 7%, uzimamo njega.
Norm, came across as a bit of an idiot, but could be useful. Hacker.
Gospode, ne mora da gledam.
This is the person who will determine
Page
how you
Harris,
get inside.
ti imaš protiv,
This
evo ko ovaj.
guy, Ricky. I met him at the Life Invader office. He may not be that good, but he's enthusiastic.
Ne mogu njega uzeti. Gospođe.
Harris, good.
Si vidio, a?
In touch. This she'll be able to find any back doors they got. If this is how you want to do it, I'll get moving.
Dobro, to je to. Confirm.
Okay, I'll look into how you can find a TAC team and get their weapons, and I'll be in touch. Yes, good.
Si vidio, a?
I'll call you when everything's ready. You'll need to pitch it to the guys.
Whoa, what? My rep don't count for nothing no more.
You're a dead man.
Vale.
I'll call you.
Važi. Zove me. To se ne ljuti me. Važi, zove me. Doviđ. Pa ko ti radi ovdje, niko ti ne radi. Mission pest. Koliko snimamo, pa ajde možemo otići na neku misicu. Become available rockstar editor director more, dobro, zanima me. Evo ga, Franklin, sada mu javimo da će on biti uključen.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man, it's me, Michael.
What's going on?
Listen, I gotta get hold of the money for that house we pulled down, so I'm getting a crew together for, you can guess. The pay will be awful, and the risk will be high, but you might learn something if you're interested.
Man, that's not exactly a great sales pitch, dog, but I guess I gotta start somewhere.
Thank you. Maybe one day you can put together your own deals, your own jobs. So, there's still some preparation I gotta do. Sit tight for a while. My buddy Lester will get in touch with the details.
Okay. Ja, sad ćemo protiv vanzemaljaca se borim. Mada ja nemam ništa za pucanje. A ne znam.
That this state makes illegal. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
I don't give a fuck about reefer.
They rigged the vote. I saw the ballots. It's a lie.
It's democracy at work, amigo.
Democracy can suck my fatty. Democracy only works when it lets intelligent people do what they want. This is tyranny by morons.
Yeah, well, I got things to take care of in a little place called reality.
You want a drag?
Nah, I'm not a drug guy.
This isn't bushweed. This is mana. And I grow it myself. No paranoia, no weirdness. A passport to nirvana.
Fuck, give me that.
Yeah, here you hardly feel it. Yeah, I smoke all day and I'm fine. It's a pure, mellow high. But I do get concerned about the monsters. Yeah.
Evo i Lucy.
I mean,
Ok, moram biti ispravljen, znam šta se desi. Šta se dešava? A, imam svaku pucu. Jao, kill aliens. Ok, di su? Znam da budu i na krovu. Pa di su? Dobro. Vi ste bre? Halo? Wow! Ne! Aaaa! Nije! Evo go ovdje! Odakle ovaj? Evo go ovdje! I leđa! Pa ne mogu! Ste normalni! Pazi! Pazi! Ej! Dobro! Ok! Evo go ovdje jedan! Dalje! Ovdje! Jebote! Ej, imam dole, nisam skonto! Wow! Ne! Jebote, koliko sam izdržao, ne? Ne znam jesam ovako ikad izdržao. Ne znam je treba da me napanu ili... Sad sam do kraja baš izdržao. Ili nije. Gotovo, šta sam, di sam? Mislim da nisam nikad do kraja izdržao, nemam prva, ali opet kažem, igrao sam kao klinac ovo.
which is complete insanity. So I take it I can count on your support.
The fuck just happened?
What are you talking about? We discussed globalization, the state.
Stay the fuck away from me.
But it's a good cause.
Okej, završeno i ovo Mission Pass. Okej, završeno i ova misijica. Dakle ljudi, to je to, do sljedećeg viđenja, do sljedeće epizode GTA 5. Ćao.